Hey everybody, real quick, we're going to show you today how to do our code.org hour of code formative. So the first thing you're going to do is go on to code.org. You'll see the screen that we have right here, which is your home screen. There's links in Schoology to get to this page, or in your browser, you can just type in code.org. First thing you do is always the same when you get in. You want to, in the upper right hand corner, make sure you log in or sign in using your district Google credentials. This is important because you want to be able to save your progress if you need to pause or class ends and you need to come back to your work. If you don't save or log in, it's not going to save and you can't come back to it. So we've been working on our Express course for practice, and now it's time for me to check your practice and see that you've been doing a good job with the block coding. So we're going to complete the formative. So you get in to the hour of code, very similar to how you get to your Express course for the first time. So you're going to click course catalog, and it'll load, bring you to the next screen. And then you're going to scroll down and you'll see learning ages 5 to 11 or 11 and up. I don't think it matters which one you click on, but let's do 5 to 11 because that's what we've been doing. And then you will see that it brings you to the next page. And instead of going down to the Express course, which is what we were doing, we're going to do Explore Hour of Code activities. Now here, it's going to bring you to several different things as it loads. There's lots of options. So we're going to be looking at two options, Dance Party, and the other one we're going to be looking at is Minecraft. For this example, I'm just going to click on Minecraft to go through and show you. So here, you click, there's lots of Minecraft education ones. We're going to specifically click on the one that just says Minecraft Hour of Code. So we're going to click on that and then click Start. And that'll bring us into our hour of code options for Minecraft. Now, there's a couple options here as well. We are picking Minecraft Adventurer. Okay, these all have slightly different variations. In my opinion, we're sticking with this one particularly so I can be on the same page with all of my students. If you want to do something different, you would be able to do the Dance Party. So we're going to click Get Started. And then what will happen is in the landing page, there will be a video. I'm not going to share the video with you right now, but you'll be able to play that on your own time. And it will explain what your objectives are and what you're going to be working on specifically with Minecraft. So you can see here it's loading. And then there'll be a video here to play. I'm just going to hit the X here for now, if it lets me. Okay, see there's the video. Exit it out. Obviously, I'm going to be Steve. And then you're going to go through and finish these. Now, there's a few things to note here. This is, again, just the Minecraft one. If you pick Dance Party, you'd click Dance Party, and I just want to show you if I click on Dance Party Start, there's a specific one I want you to pick for this one, and that would be just the regular Dance Party. So I scroll down. Right here it says Dance Party. That's the one that you would be doing, not Keep on Dancing or not Dance Party Unplugged or Dance Party AI Edition. We're going to focus on just the Dance Party. All right, so going back to Minecraft, there's a few things here. So right here on this bar, they're always going to tell you what the objective is, okay, or give you the instructions. You need to read this to know what to do. You're not just playing with these blocks randomly. If you get stuck, there's hint buttons that you can press. Do you want to hit? Yes. So you click on Steve with the little arrow light bulb next to him, and it'll pop up some hints. You can also play those hints. There's a little button there that will read it to you if you have trouble. Now, here's our workspace. it tells you how many blocks you should be able to accomplish this code using. Right? You can always use more blocks, but you want to be efficient. You want to use the least amount of blocks possible. So if you take more than 3 blocks up here on this bar, it's going to be a light green. If you do it in the amount of blocks that it's asking you to, it should be dark green. Our goal is to get them all dark green. We'd like to see that you're coding as efficiently as possible. All right. So that's one thing I'm looking at in the formative, is that you're following those directions and getting all dark green as much as possible. So you're going to go through the different lessons and get all of those to turn dark green, hopefully. I clicked on a different lesson. For some reason, it's taken a while for all my things to load today. I'm going to close these other tabs out. Hopefully it makes it load faster. It's loading again. Apologies on the wait. Okay, so when you are done, these will all be green, and you'll click I'm finished. You're going to want to screenshot that bar. I'll show you in a moment why that's important for your formative. Anyways, when you're done and all those bars are filled in, you're going to type in your name, Mr. Backus. I'm going to click submit. And here's my hour of code certificate. Now, I'm not going to print them out for you. Some people like to print them out at home. You're more than welcome to print your own certificate at home if you have a printer and your parents say that's okay. You're going to screenshot this certificate with your name on it, and you're going to use that for your submission on your formative as well. All right, so I'm going to jump over to Schoology real quick. It's taking a while to load. All right, so I'm going to put this video in here as well to kind of guide you through if you need help. But right here's our formative. I'm going to click on that. Of course, it's taken a while to load. And I'm going to preview what I'm looking for in your submission. Okay, so this is a preview version. I think I'm going to change this to be 8 points total. So I would like your bar with your dots filled in. That shows me your progress, that you completed all of the lessons. Okay, so that's going to be, I think, 6 of the points, the majority of your points, and I might take off half a point here or there if you, if you have light green circles filled in and not all dark green circles, or not all of these are filled in. Okay, so you're going to screenshot and upload that file here of that bar. And then the second one is you're going to upload your certificate, your hour of code certificate, and that's going to be 2 points that you've finished everything to completion. Okay, so you would upload that there. And that is our hour of code activity. If you have any questions, you can always ask your teacher. More than willing to help out. If you're asking a friend or a partner at your table or a group at home, somebody to help you out, reminder that you are the driver of your device. We don't let other people grab our device and code for us. They can be a navigator and they can assist you, but they should never take the steering wheel out of your hands and start driving for you. Okay? So make sure that you're the one moving those blocks around and that they're just helping navigate your way. All right, so that's all I have for today, and good luck.